On the 9th of July 2001, one of India's finest photojournalists was swept away by the rains. Victor George, the chief photographer of the India's largest selling newspaper, had been following the monsoon for over 2 years. Capturing the monsoon transforming God's own country was like a higher calling for Victor, and he took that with a missionary zeal. On that fateful day, he had set out to cover a landslide that had claimed 3 lives near Tirupura in Kerala. Along with other media men, he was waiting on the slopes of Veniyani Mala when the outpour unleashed a second landslide. Others ran for their lives, but Victor was caught waiting for a decisive moment. He left behind a kaleidoscope of unforgettable images that shock, delight, and inspire us. His rain images were later compiled in a book, It's Raining, by his loving colleagues and his grateful organization, Malayalam Manorama. This is a short poem written by one of Victor's innumerable friends. A kind of ode dedicated to the memory of the legendary photographer, Victor George. Victor of the Rains. To Victor George, who went out to the rains and never did return. Beyond the Arctic, ahead of the savannah, near but far from the sands of Arabia, circumlocating the Cape of Good Hope. Where do you stand? Where do you start? As a pied-crested cuckoo trail, as a saline taste on the fresh wound. Blowing the southwest with a history, to fly as air crystallizing, bursting out as flower crackers over the Ghats in the west, impregnating above foliages of silence. The valley yet sounds your archipelago of your existence. Column centimeters may not measure the confidence of your monsoon. The moments are decisive. You have won it. As a victor, you call this day as a nomadic joke. Beyond the curvature of the lens, the petals of a shutter open and close to a thin film of garbling reality, where your eyes melt down to sapphire, mirror, and alchemy strokes. Victor of Rains, I have seen the monsoon through your eyes. Never believe this word. I will taste the shimmering images where life rains, showers over Vandi Periyar, Veniyani, and Udambanur. You have won the rains. This night is in your name. And when you come back with talismans of your gypsy trail, time-written moments caught with butterfly traps, we will walk with the rain again. Friend of rains, a drop of rain, victor of rains, we will look at the rains once again as love again, perhaps once more.